Now you're probably new to YouTube, you've just started, and you basically want to have your channel customized in such a way that it brings traction for your subscribers and also new visitors. This is a video for you. Today video I'm going to basically go through how it is that we can create step by step your YouTube banner in order to make your channel more presentable and more attractive when your viewers basically land on your page. So let's get into it. As you can see, I'm in my YouTube back office at the moment. So once you've logged in, you're going to come over to your left and you're basically going to click on customization. Now once you hit customization, basically going to take you to the area where you upload your banner. You can re-upload the banner, you can change the banner, you can change the platform of how your channel looks like, you can change the words, you can change phrases, and basically just go through all of that to show you exactly what we'll be doing today. Okay, so we're here, you can see there's a video spotlight if you want to add a trailer, if you want to add a featured video for your returning subscribers, you can also add that to your channel. And this is your featured section. You'll be adjusting all this, but first we deal with our branding. I'm not going to remove my profile photo. I'm just going to remove the banner image because we're going to go redesign our banner image and we're going to basically upload it. We're basically going to upload it. So I'm going to be using Canva. So let's head over there. And we're going to look for templates for YouTube banners. Okay, once you come in here, I went to YouTube channel art and I'm going to click on a free one. This basically that's something I can edit and I want to use a color scheme. And going forward, I want to use a color scheme for all of my videos so that my viewers can understand that this video basically belongs to me. Alright, so alright, so we're here. It's finally loaded. So now I'm going to do the adjustment. Firstly, I don't want this background name of my channel is dropping gems, so I'm going to look to see if I have anything that relates to gems. Alright, we're going to go to more. We want elements. If you hear my baby in the background, please forgive me. Okay, so I found the photo with gems. The next thing I'm going to do is going to remove all that I don't want. Alright, see that I already moved the extra stuff. I'm then going to change the color of this so that it can be a bit more bright. Blue. And then let's see. I could probably try black. So I'm going to then edit. Drop in. This has to be extended so that it will can fit properly. I'm basically trying to resize so they can fit. Okay, so I've resized it. The next thing I want to do, I want to change this, since this is a wooden bar, I want to change the color from white to yellow. How does that look? Okay, that doesn't look too nice. Let's change it to, let's see, it looks black. Okay, doesn't look too bad, it's black. As far as Circuit Teacher Advancement, I'm going to edit this and I'm going to put in basically what I do for my channel here. I'm then going to upload this part, change this part, and I'm going to change this part, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm basically going to open it in full screen so you guys can have an idea of what it would look like when I upload it onto my channel. So let's see. I'm doing this and I'm changing everything with you guys together. So that's the main aim and purpose of this channel. To keep abreast, and as I change stuff and do stuff, to just record and teach you guys at the same time. Okay, so the only thing that needs to be changed, I'm going to put this E here to capital E, and I have to take out this one here. So at 1 p.m. sharp, uploads every week. Alright, and so you have it here. Now let's head over now to YouTube back office and change this. Okay, so you're back. So now you're going to click here and upload because you should have already have it downloaded here. So you're going to click on upload and it's going to ask you to select the document from your files and you're going to basically upload it. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to go on downloads and here, open. Okay, here you have it. You click on done. And as you can see here, I went from the brown dropping gems to this basically, alright? Now I'm going to leave my thumbnail, my video watermark as dropping gems here. Let's go back up, I'm going to leave this. So you then ensure you click on publish so that what you've been uploaded here, it published to your channel and it populates on your channel. You can then click on view channel once that's done to basically see what it looks like. In the meantime that's loading, let's go to the layout. Now let's check the basic info first. Here is where you put your details, what you want to add for your channel so that your viewers can see. Here you put your channel URL. And here you can add links to your sites, such as Facebook, if you have a Twitter account, if you have a Pinterest account. So I'm not going to add this now, but for the sake of an example, I'm going to add my TikTok. Once you've placed your TikTok on your URL, you click publish. And you can do that for Twitter, you can do that for Pinterest, you can do that for Instagram, you can do that for everything else. Alright? You can decide how much links you want to your banner. What links you want displayed on your banner. You can put 2 to 3 links or 4 links or all of your links. I'm going to put, because I'm going to come back and edit, so I'm going to put 4 links. And this is my contact email for my business. Business basically, I'm going to click publish again. And then I'm going to head over to the layout of the site. I'm not going to add a trailer or a featured video. I'm going to basically add a section for my popular uploads, and I'm basically going to drag this to the top because I want this to be the first thing that they see. So I'm going to remove this section, and I'm going to remove this section. So on popular videos first. After that, I can put I'll put my uploads to now. So that pops up after my good. And then you click publish again. And I'm going to head over to the site. And I'm basically going to refresh the page. And there you have it, guys. So I have my new banner. It looks really nice. I won't lie, it looks really nice. Even my TikTok is here, so I'm going to add in my Pinterest, and I have a Twitter account. I'm going to add those two in here so they can pop up here. I have entrepreneur, content creator, and coaching because that's the aim of this channel. I have my popular upload, as you can see, and then I have my most recent upload. This looks so nice. I'm so proud of this. So don't forget that when you go to your banners, instead of using YouTube banners, you can click on YouTube created YouTube channel art, and then you choose one that's free, and you just change it and make it your own. So that has brought us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.